Hello and welcome back to Mickey Drawing Academy. Today we're gonna draw Wonder Woman. So let's get started. Let's start with the face. Draw a line at the top and two lines to each side to create the space for the face. Then narrow at the bottom and going up to complete. At the top, let's draw lines to create the hair going around. You can use soft lines or some with sharp edges. Keep drawing it to create the volume, one pointing upwards, another pointing downwards. At the front, now before finish the hair, let's go with the body. Start with the shoulder, then the arm, all the way pointing downwards, then the hand, 3 fingers, and trim the arm for the bracelets. Now let's go with the other shoulder. Start from one point, going down. In this case, we're gonna do the arm retracted. So do like a C shape, and in the center, draw 3 fingers. And the thumb. Now let's go with the body. One line for the chest and one from the shoulder going down to the waist. Draw the sword to the handle. Then for the blade, 2 lines in a sharp edge. Then an ondular shape to one tip. Continue the body. Then the leg and the foot. Then going up again. Be careful, do not cross the sword. Now let's trim the body. One line for the waist. The other leg, do the knee. And the foot. Now you can finish the hair. One line from the back, finishing in a tip. Make sure to finish all the gaps. Add some extra lines if you want. Now let's go with the face. Draw 2 lines for the eyebrows, then a small line at the front, and then another one completing the shape of the eye. Do a circle inside of it. Small circle at the center. The same in the other eye. Now the mouth. 2 small lines. And a small C shape to finish the nose. Now let's go with the crown. Draw like a triangular shape in the forehead. And then another line completing to the sides. Now let's go with the armor. Let's go with the chest. Draw a line. And another one. Trim the waist. And now add some vertical lines to create the design of the armor. Trim the bracelets. Now let's go with the skirt. Draw a line with some sharp edges. With some sharp corners. And finish the skirt design around the legs. Do some lines going up. Do like an ondular shape. And some lines connecting the tips. Now let's finish the boots. Draw some lines inside the leg and then trim the front. The same for the other boot. Start from the knee. And then repeat the same shape but in a small size. And trim all the section. Now let's go with the lasso of truth. Draw some circles behind Wonder Woman. And then another one, like in an S curve, going to a tip and finish it with a small circle. And that's it, we're done. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for new video lessons every Tuesday and Saturday. See you!